4.
Right?
There's a restroom out there, am I right? If y'all run out there and use the restroom, on a boat right here, there's soft drinks, bottled waters, chips, candy for sale, soft drinks. Here's my photo album. You're welcome to pass those pictures around. I used to feed the alligators back here. For 20-something years, we fed them marshmallows. I used to whistle, they'd come to me, then I'd throw them a marshmallow. I used to put a marshmallow on the end of a stick and make them jump up out the water. They'd jump as high as that rail right there. There's one back here, 7 feet less. She used to let me pick her up out the water. For 15 years, I picked her up out the water. That's what she's looking at, picture. About 30 times a day so people can get a picture of her. The government bought the land. They made it a preserve. They stopped us from feeding them. It's illegal for me to feed them now. It's illegal for me to touch them now, being as government property. This was all privately owned at one time, and our government bought it, and they made it a preserve. That's why we can't feed them anymore. If it wasn't for that phone right there in your hands, I'd still be doing those things. It's not illegal until you get caught. That's when it's illegal.
Maybe we feed them the government people. Maybe we feed them the government people.
That's what we need to do. In Louisiana, there's 4.6 million. Population of alligators is 2 million. That's a lot of alligators. There's no place in the world that has more alligators than Louisiana. When's the last time you heard of someone in Louisiana getting attacked by one? Think about that.
What happened to that baby in
It is very, very rare. When you hear someone getting attacked by an alligator, there's more of that story. There's stuff they're not telling you. It's human error. Whether somebody was provoking them, whether they were feeding them, whether they were too close to the nest of babies, or letting their dogs play in the water, and then trying to stop the alligator from getting that dog afterwards. If it's a female, he'll leave it alone. If it's a male, he doesn't want competition. He's going after it. Now, if that was a bigger male, it would try to fight him. That's not big enough to fight him.
Wow.
That's probably one of his girlfriends.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's probably getting
Where was you last night? You better not been with that Aisha.
See that link though, he's missing it? That's actually pretty common.
Oh yeah.
You bring me some people to show up, like, you just let them on the boat real quick. See them coming behind me? Yeah, you just let them on real quick. There should be some alligators about 100 yards down in front of us. You should see some in a minute. We're getting really close. Those trees in that far background to my left, that moss hanging from them, those are the bald cypress. That's the Louisiana state tree. A lot of cabins, boats on the bayou where I'm from, they're built from cypress trees. Those benches you're sitting on right now are made from cypress. Some of those old houses in the French Quarter are built from cypress. The water preserves the wood. If that tree falls underneath this water, stays underneath this water, you come back to it 200, 300 years from now, that tree will still be good as long as it stays under the water. Cypress is a slow growing tree. They live about 1,000 years old, cypress trees. Alright, there should be some gators in this area. There's usually two of them. Oh, here's one right here on my left. He's hiding by the cypress tree back here. Look underneath that tree back here. You see his little head sitting there?
Oh, right there.
Oh yeah, you see that? Oh, there's two. Yeah.
Remember, don't lean. He don't know which one.
your phone.
First one we're looking at right here is about 3.5 feet long. I'll see the second one out. The second one's about 4.5 feet long. The first one right there is probably about 5-6 years old, and the second one right there is about 10 years old. It depends on how much feed is how fast they're going to grow. They don't quit growing. And in protected areas like this, they live about 70 to 100 years. Like 70 on protected areas where no one's allowed to hunt. Come on, together. Thanks, Camille.
Come on, let's go take pictures over here. Jamila, come here. Let's do a picture. Robert. Oh my God, I'm wasting this on myself. All right, take a picture. That's a good light too. Jamila, get in it. Camille. There you go, stick out.
Yeah, he said black pool.